Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our NADAR'S Senior Voice channel. You all know I started chapter 5 in my last video. This video is continuation of that. Python variables and operators. In my last video, I explained about introduction to Python. Then there are two modes, script mode and interactive mode. Then how to enter data in script mode. That means how to enter small scripts in script mode. And interactive mode, how to use Python as a small calculator. Everything I explained in my last video session. Today I'm going to explain input and output function. A program needs to interact with the user to accomplish a desired task. This can be achieved by using input-output function. The input function, if you see this bracket, it should be called as function, right? Input function helps to enter the data at the run time by the user, and the output function print function is used to display the result of the program on the screen after execution. Okay, now we will see first print function. In Python, print function is used to display result on the screen. Already I gave example in my last video, right? The syntax for print function is as follows. Print string to be displayed as output, print variable, print string to be displayed as output, comma variable. That means this will be displayed as it is, right? Whatever you enter within this double quotation will be printed as it is. And print variable, suppose if example, if I store a is equal to 5, okay, print variable a. That means whatever is stored in a will be printed. And suppose here you see, I'm combining both these two. That means string to be displayed as output, this will be displayed as it is. And the variable, suppose if I give a, the variable, the value which is stored in the variable will be displayed. Okay, understood now? Now, print string 1, variable, string 2, variable, string 3, variable, like that also you can display. Is it clear? See the example. Print welcome to Python programming. So it will display as it is. X is equal to 5, Y is equal to 6, Z is equal to X plus Y. In my last video, I already explained this. Print Z. So it will add both 5 plus 6 and that will be stored in Z. Print Z will print the result. That is total. Now print the sum is equal to Z. See here. The string and the variable. The string and the variable. So it will display the sum is equal to 11. Right? Here you see the sum of X, that means 5 and 6 is 11. Here you are combining both the string as well as the variable name. Right? The print function evaluates the expression before printing it on the monitor. The print function displays the entire statement which is specified within print. Comma is used as a separator in print to print more than one item. See here we used comma. Understood? Now I understood print statement. Now practically I'm going to show X is equal to 5. Right? Then Y is equal to 6. Then Z is equal to X plus Y. Right? And then you have to give the print statement to print it. Right? Is it? Got it? Now I'm going to use the second one. Print the sum is equal to comma is it. Got it? And then the last one. Print the sum of close it X. And then give one more thing and here you see I forgot to give comma. We will see what happens, right? And comma Y comma is, okay, comma is it. Okay, fine. So it will show error, invalid syntax error. Got it? Right? I'm giving comma now. You cannot go back and you cannot do it. So it will give a beep sound. That means you cannot do it. That means you have to retype it. Print the sum of, comma, right, x, comma, and then and, comma, y, comma, is, comma, is it. Again, quotation, right, is it. You should be very, very careful. Got it? Everyone? Is it interesting? Yes. We'll go to the next topic. So input function. In Python, input function is used to accept data as input at runtime. The syntax for input function is variable is equal to input and the prompt string. Where prompt string is the syntax, in the syntax is a statement or message to the user to know what input can be given. That means it will instruct the user what he or she has to type. Suppose, if example, x is equal to input, enter your age. That means the user will understand, yes, this variable will accept age. Okay, fine. If a prompt string is used, it is displayed on the monitor. The user can provide expected data from the input device. Understood now? The input function takes whatever is typed from the keyboard and stores the entered data in the given variable. If prompt string is not given in input, no message is displayed on the screen. Thus, the user will not know what is to be typed as input. See here, city is equal to input, enter your city. Now, enter your city will be displayed. Then you can enter Madurai, whatever it is. Print, I am from city. Already you have entered Madurai. So Madurai will be stored inside the city and it will display I am from Madurai. Is it clear? The second one is input without prompt string. Now city input. So we will not know what we have to enter. They have entered Rajarajan. See here, city and the Rajarajan. Right? Print I am from city. I am from Rajarajan. So it looks odd. Understood? Shall we see this example? So I'm going to type city is equal to input, open bracket, enter your city. Okay. Now press enter. It is asking enter your city. Right? I will give Chennai. Chennai. So now Chennai is stored inside the city. Now I'm going to print, right, bracket, open bracket, I am from city. Now see, it displayed I am from Chennai, but you could not see it. I'll move it up. Now see, enter your city. I entered Chennai. Print I am from city. I am from Chennai. Understood? Shall we go to the second example? City. Now I'm not going to give the prompt. Input, open and close bracket. Now it is asking you to input something. Right? I'm going to input Chennai, not Chennai, Rajan. Okay. Now Rajarajan is stored inside the city. Now I'm going to print I am from city. I am from Rajarajan. Now we understood the importance of prompting, right? So note in the example 2, the input is not having any prompt string. Thus, the user will not know what is to be typed as input. If the user inputs irrelevant data as given in the above example, then the output will be unexpected. So to make your program more interactive, provide prompt string with input. Now we understood the importance of prompt string? Yes. The input function accepts all the data as string or characters, but not as numbers. Right? If a numerical value is entered, the input value should be explicitly converted into numeric data. That means it accepts in the form of strings and characters, not numbers. the int function is used to convert string data as integer data explicitly. We will learn about more such function in later chapters. Right here you see, explicitly I'm giving int to convert the number into integer. Okay, this we will see now. Right? X is equal to input, int input, enter first number. Y is equal to int input, second number. And I'm going to add both. So you're getting the answer. Shall we see this now? Right? Now I'm going to enter X is equal to int, open bracket, input, again open bracket. Now you're going to give the prompt string, enter number 1. Close it. Now double bracket. Okay. One bracket is for this, another bracket is for this. So immediately it is prompting, right? So I'm going to give 23. Now y is equal to int of input, here again I have to type, okay, y is equal to int bracket input, enter number 2. I pressed some other key, that's why it showed error, right? 45. Okay, so now I gave value for x as well as y. So directly I can use print statement. The sum is equal to x plus y. Now you got it. Understood now, everyone? Right? So this is alternate method for the above program. Very simple. In one line you are giving. See, x comma y is equal to int input enter number 1 comma int input enter number 2. In one line you are giving. Right? So like this also you can give. And print x is equal to x, that is capital X is equal to small x, capital Y is equal to small y. Enter number 1, 30. Enter number 2, 50. So x is 30, y is 50. Understood? So far, whatever you have been seeing, all are in interactive mode, not script mode. Remember. So comments in Python. In Python, comments begin with hash symbol. This is a hash symbol. The lines that begins with hash are considered as comment and ignored by the Python interpreter. Comments may be single line or multi-line. The multi-line command should be enclosed within a set of hash as given below. Now this is single line comment. What do you mean by comment? This will inform the user about the program. Suppose if example, as they have told here, just hash, if I give 5 plus 3, compiler will not perform this addition because I used hash sign here. So this is considered as comment, right? So multi-line comment. So here you see I started with hash and I can give any number of sentence, any number of lines, and then finally I should end with hash. So this is called multi-line comment. So single line comment, multi-line comment. Indentation, very important. Python uses white space such as spaces and tabs to define program blocks, whereas other languages like C, C++, Java are curly braces. Last year you learned, right? To indicate the blocks of code for class functions or body of the loop and block section command. The number of white spaces, space in the indication is not fixed, but all statements within the block must be intended with same amount of spaces. Keep it in mind, Python will not use any of these blocks using a curly braces. Indentation, proper indentation is required. Okay, I'll explain while explaining programs. Okay, children. So I'm stopping it here. So today you learned input and print statement and comment and indentation. Okay, children, go through the video. Okay, still if you have any doubts, you can ask me. And Python, very important language. And as I told before, Python has been an important part of Google. Okay, dozens of Google engineers uses Python because Python is fast and simple, right? And Python's popularity has seen steadily nowadays. Okay, so today the familiarity with Python is an advantage of every programmers. Okay, because as I told before, Python can be used in script mode and interactive mode. Python serves as a scripting language as well as a general purpose language. Understood? It is easy to understand, right? Okay, so many of them are started using Python, and very, very important language. And I want everyone to learn and understand Python very clearly. Still, if you have any doubts, you can go through the video. And still, you did not understand any part of the lesson, you ask me, I will explain again. Okay, children, see you, bye, take care.